Hey, Right Riders, Keith Wheeler here, and in case you haven't heard, many people now have access to KDP hardcover books. While KDP hardcovers are still in beta, Amazon KDP recently opened up hardcover beta to a lot more accounts. But just because we have the ability to create hardcovers in KDP, the question is, are KDP hardcover books any good? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to be doing a KDP hardcover review. So let's dive right in and check out the KDP hardcover quality. Now, I actually just got access to KDP hardcovers, so I haven't had a chance to actually receive the hardcover book that I created. But luckily, a loyal subscriber, Judy Shearwaters, has graciously sent me a copy of her mystery book right here. It's actually called Mystery in the Jackson House, and it's obviously hardcover. Now, I didn't do an unboxing because this came directly from Amazon. It didn't come as an author copy. And so it actually came in a box with bubble wrap and stuff like that in it. When I get my book in, I'm going to do a comparison with Lulu as well as an unboxing. Let's get into how the KDP hardcover quality really is. So obviously, this is hardcover. It's actually what you call case wrapped. And what case wrap means is obviously it doesn't have a dust jacket on it. It's just the casing or the book itself, the hardcover, is wrapped in the illustration. The color saturation looks really good. You know, it shows the shadows, it shows the depth. So completely thrilled with that. I'm looking at the quality of the actual binding. It all looks good. All right, let's go check and see how the inside looks. Okay, so when it's called case wrapped, and if you watch my other video that I did where I give you the link to the calculator on how to create the template, you'll notice that a template is different than your paperback. And that's because you've got this wrap right here where it just wraps around just a little, just enough to be annoying, right? Just enough to make your cover have to be slightly different. But yeah, so this is why it's called case wrapped. So it's actually wrapped around it. So there's going to be a little bit more bleed all the way around. But yeah, it looks really nice and solid. One thing I noticed right off the bat is the flyleaf. Fun fact, this right here, this page is called the flyleaf. Let me know down in the comments if you knew what a flyleaf was. This is called the end sheet. It's actually glued to the hardcover, and it's really just one piece of paper. But it's cardstock. It's really thick cardstock. I like that. You know, especially we get back and we start doing book signings and stuff like that. This is a nice solid piece of paper, cardstock, that you can write your name on and any notes and stuff like that. And the ink that you use isn't going to seep through, which may happen when you write on just normal paper. So that's one issue that I've run into when I do my book signings is I have to be careful with what kind of pen I use because sometimes it could actually leak through to the other side. So I do like that the flyleaf, again, let me know in the comments if you'd never heard of that word, flyleaf. But anyway, I would say you can look, it's actually just one piece of paper, one piece of cardstock right here. That's pretty cool. The paper quality, it feels like it's the 60-pound test that that regular KDP print books are. So that's good. The back of the book, you guessed it. You got another, what's it called? A flyleaf, right? You got another flyleaf here, and then the end sheet. Yeah. Looks good quality. Really good job on the cover design for this, Judy, by the way. So again, this is the hardcover, the case wrapped hardcover that we can get with KDP right now in beta. Let me know if you have access to KDP beta, and if you have you tried it yet? Yeah, I'm very pleased with how this turned out. So yeah, what I'll probably do is I've got one of my other books on Lulu. I have a dust jacket, but I also have a case wrap version. Now, case wrap versions are going to be cheaper to create typically than dust jacket version. Now, obviously on KDP, we have access only to case wrap, which is fine. If you've done dust jacket versions of your book in the past, you may want to consider case wrap because again, case wrap versions are typically going to be cheaper to create. So that means it's cheaper for your end client, which means you got a better chance of selling it. Again, this was going to be a quicker video than normal, but I just wanted to do a KDP hardcover book review on the quality of the KDP hardcovers. I'm pleasantly surprised. There's the spine if you want to see that. It's not engraved or anything like that. Like if you get a dust jacket version of your book from Lulu, when you take the dust jacket off, there's no illustrations on your cover because it's not case wrapped, but you will usually have some kind of embossing or something like that. This is not embossed. This is printed on another piece of paper, basically. And then that paper is wrapped around your hardcover. And then, like I said, they've got the end sheet and then the flyleaf. I hope you learned something. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. And again, let me know if you'd ever heard of the word flyleaf. A little bit of trivia for you. And so that is KDP hardcover quality, which again, I'm very pleased with. Now, if you didn't already see that video that I did where I showed you real quick how to actually get the access to the calculator to create the templates for your hardcover and even for your paperback on KDP, then check out this video right here. I'm sure you'll love it. Now, if you've already seen that, then check out this video right here. The YouTube says it's perfect for you. I'll catch you in one of those videos, and remember to write right.